Good morning, everyone. Myself, A. Kumrade, Assistant Professor, Department of ISC, Civil Institute of Technology, Rajankonte, Bengaluru. In previous video, we discussed on join operation. What is binary operations? Join and why inner join is why a join we are going to use. What different types of joins. Right? We have different types of joins like inner join and outer join. Again, in inner join we have data join, equi join, natural join. So these are the joins we have seen in the previous video. Today we're going to discuss about outer join. Outer join, it used to include all the tuples on participating relation in the resulting relation. Here the same thing, we are going to join the two tables based upon the attribute name, not on the attribute values. We're going to join these two tables based on the attribute name. If the attribute name is not same in the both table, we can use a rename operation. By using the rename operation, we can rename the attribute of a one table. It is same as the other table. So in outer join, we have types of outer join like left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. We'll see one by one. First one is the left outer join. So left outer join, as the name is going to say that we're going to compare the attribute from the left hand side of the table with the right hand side of the table. Left hand side of the table values are compared or equal with the right hand side values. We're going to add in the resulting table, in the merging table. Right? All the tuples from the left relation are included in the resulting relation. If there are tuples in R without any matching tuples for matching tuples, right relation S, then the S attribute of resulting relation are made null. There, if the left hand side value is not equal to right hand side value, in right hand side we are going to place a null value. Right? One example. So we have taken two tables like courses and the HOD table. In course table, we have attribute name called department ID and the subject. HOD table, we have department ID and the head. We're going to join these two tables based on the attribute name. That is department ID, both are same. If in case, if department ID is not equal, department ID name is not same as that is in the course table. If you are using a DPT ID, then we have to rename this department ID with the same name which is there in the course table. Then only we can apply a outer join operation. So one thing is to apply outer join operation, the department or the attribute the name in the both tables should be same. If not same, we have to apply a rename operation and we have to change one of the attribute name of the table should be same as the other table. So here department ID subject and department ID heads. Department ID is common in both table. So department ID is the joining attribute. So what type of join we are applying here? We are applying the left outer join. So we have to compare the value from left side table to the right side table. So 100 it is equal. So 100 database and the 100 Alex. 101 make here 101 attribute is not there, so we can place a null value if the value is not compared to the right hand side. So there the right hand side we have to apply we can assign a null value. Here we have placed it as a dash dash, that is null value. Then 102 102, so 102 is what? 102 electrical Maya. So 103 is not there. So 104 is not there to the right hand side. So 104 is there, but we are comparing from left side to the right side, so we cannot place a null value at the left hand side. That is the course table, right? So this is regarding a left outer join. When it comes to right outer join, it is reverse. We are going to compare from the right side table to the left side table. So right outer join, this is the symbol. It's R is the one relation, S is the another relation. We're going to join in between these two relations. So all the tuples from the right hand relation S are included in the resulting relation. If there is a tuple is S without any matching tuple in R, then the attribute of the resulting relation are made null. So same example I'm taking there, course and HOD, right? So here we have to compare from HOD table to the course table. So with the help of department ID as the joining attribute. 100 so database and Alex. Here 100 database, 100 Alex. Next 102, here 102 are the third tuple. 102 electrical Maya. So 102 electrical, 102 Maya. Here 104, here 104 is not there, so 104 we have to place here 104 Mira at the right hand side. Left hand side table value will be placed as a null. This is from right hand side to the left hand side. So we say it is a right outer join. When it comes to full outer join, wherever we're going to compare from right to left, wherever we find the value is not equal, comparison is not found, there we're going to consider null value with the both side, right and left side. That we say it as a full outer join. Example, the same thing, 100, we could start from 100 database, database. So this equal value 100 database, 100 annex. Now 101 we have at the left hand side, but right hand side we don't have. So what we're going to do here, not one at the left hand side value we have, so we place the left hand side value, right hand side value don't have, they will place it as a null value there. Next 102 102, so equal, so we have placed 102 electric, 102 Maya. Now 103 is not there at the both table, so leave. 104 we have at the right hand side table, left hand side table we don't have 104, so at the left hand side we place it a null value, and right hand side we place it as a what, the value which we got from this table. So this is regarding the outer join. Outer join, left outer join, we're comparing from the left table to the right table. In the right outer join, comparing from right table to the left table. In the full outer join, I'm going to compare between both tables. If in both table, wherever we found it is not equal, they will place it a null value. This is regarding the binary operation.